Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Imbogoto and Shaba.
Tibo. Yeah. Akhumbula ngitheni Friday. Mawudlala Sundowns. Uthini? Ngithe mina mawudlala Sundowns. If iChiefs namhla yahluleka ukuba nepoint la. Ngizoba nikeza 3 points.
Yes.
Ngomthandazo wami.
Yes.
Before ngibanikeze le 3 points.
Yes.
Bazenzele bona 3 points.
Yes.
So ngaloko ngiyababongela. Namhla bengabaminyelanga. Bengibafisela ukuthi bawine. Basuke lapha ku 30 points. Because noma bangasi 33 mina ayi affect lawo. Mina abantu abangafectayi laba badlalela ku 40 points. Kusathi 33. Hayi ngithusi.
Umfana manje.
Sasemntwana ngishilo ngithi laba abafana bami.
Yes.
Bengifuna that isa bengifuna ukubanikeza 3 points.
Ezumzali wabo.
Njengobhuti wabo. Ngiyababongela Sithibo. But basabhayiza labafana eground. And sengithembe bona ukuthi bayongibambela Sundowns. Manje bayangithusa. Ngathi ngiyohlehla ukubathemba Sithibo. Abo-Silver Sithibo. Manje ngiyabafeva. Just babaceda ukungibambela Sundowns. Ngisabazi Sithibo.
So yabayena.
Into engiyifunayo, ngifuna bongibambela Sundowns. Phela. And nalama team wonke mamadlala neSundowns. Ngathi bayathuka, ngathi bayabhayiza Sithibo. Bathengisa ama-game ku-Sundowns or umthipho khona abantu abahafele kona. I don't know Sithibo. Mhlambe yabona Sithibo abayekela ukusihleka thina masiluzile or ostrowile. Thina sisasenobuhlungu bakaSenzo Meyiwe. Masikhale stadium masikhalisa ukuthi sidliwe. Sisasene-pain la kaMeyi ugoalkeeper wethu Sithibo. Ngiyabonga ntwana yami.
Phela uyibekile. Okay, Prashaba uyivale Prashaba.
No.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
asifunda athi sibe ku KG ngapha KG
awuvele. Bafethu.
KG yazi ngibizana KG. Nginengoma nje for abo KG ukuthi izintwana zami lezi abafowethu laba konke okuhle ngifisela kona nikutholile namhlanje ibhakani for life elikhulumayo namhlanje igame yeChiefs bengisho lokwasekuseni ukuthi is straight win bengifuna vele ukuthi bawine and ba deserve iwin emva kwe performance abebenayo previously so and then besengasekho kuhle bekungekho right bekuyisikhathi sokuthi ba pick up and then badlalile and then well done igoal ibuild up yakhona it was very good isap ayenzile ucoach wabo la bengifisa ngathi kule era Vilakazi bengifisa ngathi beyangafaka uVilakazi no number 10 boy 2 same time ngiyakubamba so ubafakile and then that one too what a beautiful goal top igule balishow Chiefs so line up yabo be good and then I saw ukuthi next game igame yabelandela ya weekend ngathi line up le abaphushe ngayo vandag bangayichange baweke kuma substitute wabo ukuthi okay sisapha bani skipper bani sifaka bani uyabona so le performance le ibanikeza ekuthenini ikhuphule iconfidence in a way ukuthi igame elandelayo bakwazi ukuthi baphushele phambili and ngiyathemba ukuthi kule game elandelayo bazoyiwina and then ukuwina kwabo kubooster le confidence ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthi bawine until nge-18 iwin yabo ifika nge-18 noma sengaba i-draw nge-18 but ukuphusha kwabo kushake abantu abaningi abaseduzana abalandelayo yayibona so iKhosi idlalile bafowethu siyalibongela congratulations to Khosi khuphukani bafowethu kuyakhuphukeka
sibonge Shaba
danko
ngijabulela ukubona bakumani yasho ngilongakuboni arena